Every firm today faces the great challenges of maintaining market share, competitiveness, and sustainability. With technology changing so rapidly, it's imperative that business owners keep the pulse on new trends within their industry. And yet, in a time when one false move can destroy your business, sink your career, and wipe out your wealth, it's harder than ever to find the handful of essential insights that should be driving your biggest decisions. Did you ever notice that some people have all the answers? They never get blindsided by changes, and they're always one step ahead. Such powerful people always seem to have the right solution at their fingertips. How do they do it? And more importantly, how can you do what they do? The answer: TNC Management Company. TNC provides solutions to help maximize your time, save more money, profit more, and expand your marketing brand. They can assist you in understanding risk to properly forecast sales and revenue while developing a successful roadmap for your existing or startup business in the areas of market research, product positioning, financial modeling, business development and planning, and tax preparation and service. TNC Management Company can provide services through Colbert Ball Tax Service. Call or email TNC now to learn more on how to start or grow your business today. TNC knows the how in helping you achieve success.